I've just put in a whole lot of orders and got my stock getting to for kitting, because I'm anticipating slow manufacture because the freight and movements around China means there's delays in terms of getting all the elements for products. And so I'm anticipating a longer manufacturing timeline. I'm getting stuff, all my kitting done and my labeling organized and what have you. And I'm anticipating a 30 to 60 day freight process and longer in the US when the products land in the US. Generally, the turnaround was 7 to 14 days. Now I'm anticipating longer than that. So I just thought, you get your products done, you get your packaging done. And one of the mistakes that people make is that they focus on getting their products manufactured and leave their packaging manufacturer to after that. And it's best to do that at the same time so that your kitting can be organised along with your labelling. But then, August, September, you're starting to set up your PPC social media campaigns and identify who you're going to have as reviewers, FBA, mobilising your reviews, getting your PPC campaigns sorted and started so that you can get some data together. And then November, December, obviously, you're in full-fledged getting, your Black Friday and Cyber Mondays and optimising for Christmas and getting the algorithm kind of engaging with you so that you've got that organic search. So I just thought I'd put it in front of everybody that you really got to get your act together.
Yeah, and the interesting thing from that, most people we've been conditioned to think of Christmas as December the 25th. But as e-commerce entrepreneurs, actually Christmas is November the 1st. That's Christmas for us. That's when Christmas actually starts. So that's when you have to have your shit together and be up and selling by.
Yeah. And then in terms of if you are sourcing from China, and I know you've just said go elsewhere, but still there's so many things that it's hard to find them made elsewhere. Looking at your next product and prepping for your orders, you want to get your orders done before the Chinese New Year, which is February. So just being aware of keeping your orders for your next product, positioning that so that you can get it as soon as Christmas is done. And the manufacturers have kind of got over the Christmas rush. You can get your products in before all their workers disappear around the country and come back. You get better manufacturing in January.